on it. Hold it. Tell me when you started it.
Oh, there we go. I started it.
All right, hi guys. Hold on, guys. If you guys can't see the live video over there, the afternoon.
Turn on the light.
I'm gonna be telling you what I'm doing today.
What do I just hold it?
The same night.
Hold it. Do you want the gun?
Wait, Mason.
Here's the gun.
I don't want it.
There's Mason and Brennan filming.
Can you just take the gun? Yeah, take that.
And I'm
Put it in
going
your
to be running around here with my light.
Oh, I don't want it to
You
fall
want
out.
to see my tail light if you want to see it right now. You're right here.
Press the brake.
Right?
Yeah.
Now it's off if you don't see.
No. Turn on the light and press the brake. When the light's on. It gets,
Here, let me turn off it, and then when I press the brake, it's on. But if you see, it's not on on my front. I see it right now. You can see it on the back.
it's
Right
not
now?
on the front and it's on the back.
All right, guys.
Turn on your lights.
All right, and I'm going to ride
Here's his
it.
light, and here's his brake light. And there he goes. Right down there. And here he comes. Hi. High five. Colgan, hear that? Colgan, can I try now?
Can you turn on the flashlight? On top of the top. Here, listen.
You can't do that.
Oh, darn.
Bye, guys. We need to end the video.
Yeah, guys, something happened to the dirt bike down in here.
We turn on the light.
It's having a weird noise. Guys, open your ears. I'll hear it. You guys can hear the weird noise. What is that noise?
Oh, it's a branch. Got it. Please stop. Wait, let me try riding it. Colgan,
It's parking in the
Chris,
garage.
we need to end the video.